Hello there. Today I'll be fixing a printer that print out black pages all through, or pages that comes with these black horizontal stripes all across the pages of the the printout. Sometimes it can be black all through. That is, you have toner covering all the pages itself. Everything is black. Or sometimes it can come with stripes on all parts of the paper. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. This printer prints normally, but there's stripes on it. You can see the stripes, and these stripes is not as a result of the cartridge. The cartridge is okay. Even after replacing the cartridge, the problem is still the same. Sometimes it might not be this way. It might just be black all across the page. I'll show you how to fix it. To be able to fix this, the problem has to do with the art. There is this art that contacts the cartridge of this particular printer. So when it is not well connected or not touching the cartridge, that is where this particular problem comes up. So I'll show you how to fix it right now. So if you look inside towards the left hand side of this particular printer, inside, you can see, I hope my camera will be able to get across to it. You can see I'm pointing at it right now. You can see this aluminium. This is supposed to push against the art of the cartridge. It is misaligned. So when it is misaligned, it is not contacting that particular that particular metal on the cartridge. And when it's not connecting to it, it's going to print out black page. Take note, it's not blank, black all across the pages. Sometimes it can be stripes. So what I'm going to do right now is to, with my plier, I'm going to realign it so that it aligns properly and it will be able to contact the metal on the cartridge. When you're able to do that successfully, you might not get it at once. I've been doing it several times, so that is why I'm able to get it at once. So for you out there, you're not able to get it at once. Just keep realigning it until you're able to get it. So right now, this is the printout. After realigning it, you can see there is no stripe on it anymore. So I'm going to see you some other time. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.